What's up guys, Alex here from Extreme Customs, down here in the shop with the boys with some exciting news from RBP. Now usually when you get your set of wheels and tires, you just get that, a set of wheels and tires. But RBP is stepping it up right now with this loot crate that they're hooking everybody up with when you buy a set of RBP Forged wheels. It comes full of a bunch of goodies from RBP, including, 2 Yetis, you got a trailer hitch cover, banners, drawstring, backpack, keychains, and a bunch of other goodies that you get when you purchase a set of RBP Forged wheels. Now you can also take advantage of our 0% financing through a firm to purchase these wheels. So it's kind of a get it today and pay later setup, which is really a viable option for a lot of people when you're spending that much money on a set of forged wheels. So not only do you get a lighter and more durable product by getting a forged wheel through RBP, you're also going to get hooked up with this loot crate. So make sure you guys check it out on extremecustoms.com. That's where you're going to get your next set of RBP Forged wheels and this awesome box full of goodies. We'll catch you later.